Hello, you beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you my recipe as a nurse of over 50 years to reduce immune dysregulation and to calm your nervous system and just to feel a little bit better if you're living with chronic illness, okay? So, for example, I started taking this after I had a COVID infection and it was drastic. I lost a lot of weight. I was really poorly. I was bedbound. So I know a lot of people are struggling right now, so I want to offer this to you as a little gift through bitter experience that this will help you. Your body will tell you when you don't need it anymore. So, okay, here we go. So stainless steel pan, organic lemon, local honey. Going through the ingredients, I'm looking at organic cocoa powder, so it's got no rubbish in it. It's just pure cocoa powder full of antioxidants which your body needs. I'm just going to turn the stove down a little bit. There we go. Right, so here we go. So it's dead easy. All you do, bay leaf, throw it in the pan. Keep the lemon juice. You're just going to squeeze that out. Keep it ready for when you've cooked the drink. And then what you do is you add in the vitamin C from the lemon juice after. Okay, so you're not destroying the vitamin C during the cooking. Okay, so that's that done. Now we have some beautiful ginger, and I'm going to just cut this so it's all nice and hasn't got any of the skin on it, although some people do like the skin, to be honest. Okay, so then that goes into the pot. Just thin it slightly, slice it thinly. Okay, there you go. So then we add ground nutmeg. This is so easy to make. Cinnamon. Okay, I know there's been a lot of controversy over spices recently and that they're containing heavy metals. If you've got any concerns about that, what you need to do is just use a magnet. You keep it there long enough and it'll attract anything that shouldn't be there. Okay, so I know this one's okay. So a couple of teaspoons or a teaspoon, you could do it to taste. This is the anti-inflammatory ingredients, one of them. Then we have cloves. Okay? Cloves help detoxify and also as an anti-parasitic. So it's very useful. Now some people use cayenne pepper and other people will use just plain black pepper. I think the advice and guidance is black pepper, so we'll pop that in. But if you can have a little bit of cayenne to taste, then do it. I personally prefer not to have it. Okay, next in is a couple of drops of Lugol's iodine, 12%. It's wonderful. Every cell in your body needs it. So a couple of drops going in. It does stain, so be very careful of your work surfaces. Maybe put something down or do it on a plate that you can wash off after. So there we have it. Now I'm going to use some distilled water, which I prepared earlier. Okay, or distilled earlier. I'm going to do a post on that in the next few days because I'd like you to know about the water situation in the UK, especially down in Cornwall. So we add all the ingredients together. We add in some salt. This helps your electrolytes. You don't taste it. You do not taste it in the drink. It's all assimilated. It's wonderful. Now, if you're having it in the evening and you fancy a hot chocolate, you can actually make this concoction and add in your cocoa powder. You can also add in an essential fatty oil. So you can use organic coconut oil, which is lovely. So we can put a spoon of that. That has real benefits for the brain. It contains something called MCT. Look it up. I don't remember the long word for it. This is really helpful for brain function. If you've got cognitive deficits, you have poor recall or you can't remember things, then it's a really good go-to to help brain function. Okay. Some people have it with their coffee. I don't like it with coffee. I prefer it with the hot chocolate. And some people will use the olive oil or some lovely organic butter. So that goes on the heat. You cook it up. You can simmer it for a bit if you want. Here's one I made earlier. I'm going to cut this one here. I do like my drinks in a china cup because this is a treat for the day. It really is. There we go, look at this. Gorgeous. Just let that soak through. Do let it sit for a bit while it's cooling down, even if you need to reheat it, so that you get the most benefit from the ingredients in the drink. It really is wonderful. Now, you can add milk to taste, or your favourite plant-based milk, or you can have it without anything. Don't forget the lemon juice. Okay, there's your vitamin C, potassium, wonderful. Now, you can add the honey, which is local honey. I don't buy store-bought honey anymore because I just don't know what's in it, okay? And I want best quality because I want to optimise health. There we are. Oh, and just please note about the Asian hornets. And if you've got trouble with the bees in Cornwall, these people are pretty good. So you just stir it up. And wait for it to cool down. Don't drink it hot like you would kind of normally, but wait for it to cool down. You get the maximum benefit from it, and it is absolutely delicious.